So eto ang watch party ng tropa ni na Alvin the Chipmunk at mga kasama niya sa fake news peddling gig sa loob ng cult ng DDS. May pa-candle lights pa sila na akala mo may human sacrifice na mangyayari, with matching standee pa ng kanilang Diyos-Diyosan na si Digongyo na gawa sa karton. Parang witchcraft ang dating. Certified kulto na talaga sila mga kanetizen. May saltik na din sila sa utak.
For these reasons, the appeals chamber considers that the defense has failed to demonstrate an error in the pretrial chamber's assessment and weighing of evidence before it in the context of its consideration of the risk under Article 58(1)(b) subparagraph 2 of the statute.
Masyadong dramatic ang peg ng mga aklang toxic. In case you don't know, eto ang DDS faction na kaaway ni Mima Butanding Harry Roque.
It favors us.
Ang pretrial chamber.
In relation to the pretrial chamber's reliance on the notion of a network of supporters, the appeals chamber recalls that it has considered that it is sufficient for a chamber to establish that it is possible that a suspect had the necessary assets to abscond.
Pero mabuti naman kung nakakaintindi nga sila ng English at malaman nila na silang mga toxic na DDS kulto ni Digongyo ang isa sa mga main reasons kung bakit rejected ang interim release appeal ng kanilang poong nasa rehas. Yep, karamihan sa kanila mga siraulo at bobong DDS Bisacol na feeling member ng Davao Death Squad.